Narottam sir, how are you?
I am the good. How are you?
All good. Narottam sir, हजुर लाइभ हुनुहुन्छ है यहाँ बाइ द वे मैले स्पटमै राखेँ हजुरलाई
के भन्छ केमा
हो मेरो पडकास्टमा यहाँ हाम्रो काजी स्टुडियोबाट मनिष सर हुनुहुन्छ होइन विधि जलान सुधिज्ञ पन्त हुनुहुन्छ अनि सुभाष सापकोटा हुनुहुन्छ हजुरलाई एकदम स्पटमा राखेँ मैले वी वान्ट किङ्स कलेज टु बी अ पार्ट अफ सिएनआई को हाम्रो स्टार्टअप फेस्ट है अब मिल्छ भने
ए भइहाल्छ नि के
ल असम सर हजुर कता अहिले
म घरमा
ल ए फर्किनु भयो ल वेलकम ब्याक सर ल मैले हामी यहाँ कुरा गर्दा गर्दै ल आइल गिभ नर्म सर कल भनेर भनेको थिएँ मैले रियल टाइममा वाइ नट ल थ्याङ्क यू सो मच सर थ्याङ्क यू सो मच ल भाइ Okay, he's back and
okay,
King's
perfect.
Done.
So King's College, students from King's College, you can reach out to your administration. You should be able to get tickets from your college.
Done. We love Narottam sir because he's been to the podcast. He's one of the first guests, right? X, just double check. Narottam sir kaile aunu bhayeko थियो right? He's one of our first guests right in the get-go. And every time I call Narottam sir is always very helpful.
Yeah, no, I think last year too, King's College was among the first ones who signed up, and we had a lot of really good participation from students from King's College. So we're hoping to have the same this year as well.
No, I'm glad. Educators like him, again, I'm not formally educated, right? So educators like him give me hope because every time I need advice, I give him a call. होइन 12,000 तिर्नु पर्दैन है मैले यसमा
Thank you very much for watching us on YouTube. Make sure that you also listen to us on Spotify.